Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and the first unboxing of a MMi watch on my channel. But before I get into the watch itself, it also arrived with this package when ordering. If you ordered before a certain date, you got an extra watch roll. Unbranded, nice quality, similar style to a couple I already have. My Haim arrived with one and my Uni design I think arrived with one. This looks similar in design, similar in quality. Really nice, really sturdy. Always nice with more watch storage or movability. Having a trip coming up soon, this could be handy. Now the watch itself, MMi, first ever MMi watch on my channel. But I've kept an eye on them ever since they came out with the turret. How am I getting into this box? Oh, so like I said, ever since they released their turret, I've kept an eye on MMi. And when they released this model, I just had to get one. And thanks to Sean and Rich over at the Collecta Tempus. Below is a little description of Collecta Tempus and a link. I finally got my first ever MMi. So not only did we have that watch roll, we also have a roll in here. So roll upon roll. Really soft and nice quality, guys. This was awesome. So what do we have inside? The watch itself, of course. That's a cool branding. Let's see. Here we have it over there. Someone teasing a bit. Someone said on my last unboxing that I teased them too much. But hey, it's an unboxing. I unboxed the boxes as well. What do we have here? Is the warranty modernization. Okay. So MMi stands for modernization, modification, innovation. MMi watches and warranty card. Nice quality. Anything else? Nah, but a really nice quality this. So I usually go in really blind into these unboxings, but I had to do a little bit of read up on this one. This is their collaboration with Awagami factory that make paper, Japanese, some special Japanese paper. It's their Four Seasons series, and this is actually their autumn version. The 4 different colors available. And here we have it, and this is why I had to get it. That's very yellow. That's awesome. Let's remove some plastic and I'll be right back. Now, having unboxed and reviewed several AliExpress watches lately, where it's been plastic upon plastic upon plastic, this was a reasonable amount of plastic. I'll get back into all of this bracelet and clasp, but let's take off the last piece of plastic and reveal that beautiful dial. Push-pull crown, 10-10 position, and it's time for me to insert some macro actually, because as you can see here, it's a special dial. Awagami factory makes paper, so this is a paper dial, but it's like underneath a piece of sapphire crystal or something. I'll have to read up on it to the full view. Either way, it's stunning. And first impressions, the build quality is great. Tight fit on those end links, quick release. Can't really remember which movement. I think it's some Miyota. Many brands use Miyota now, and that sweep looks pretty smooth. So can we guess Miyota 9000 series? Great articulation on that bracelet. We have polished mid-links, brushing on the sides, fully brushed clasp, but with the carrying over the chamfer from the watch. We have a on-the-fly micro adjust. I saw that Seiko is finally doing a ratcheting on the fly clasp, which is interesting because micro brands did that like 3 years ago. Get a grip, big brands. Female end links, and we have, what dimensions do we have? I think it's a 39mm case. Yep, bang on 39 by 12.2, including that sapphire crystal. Maybe sapphire on the back. We'll see on the full review. Lug to lug. 46mm about. I'm also impressed with you guys that do that smoothly. Oh, the crown, push-pull crown, and it's 6.6mm signed, grippy, smooth winding, great articulation, interesting case finishing. We have like a high polish on the side, carrying over into a chamfered over into brushing. That's nice, and that die, look how clean those indexes there are. Stunning, beautiful. Gonna really like wearing this watch, and in a few weeks hopefully I'll do the full review. Now some brands ask me to do a review after having a watch for a day or two. I won't do that because then I won't be able to get a feel for a watch. I need at least a couple of weeks to do it, and this watch is mine, so I'll wear it plenty and get back to you guys. And that's it. Oh, almost forgot the wrist shot. Roughly 17cm wrist, 39 by 46, right? And this is how it's gonna wear for me. Focus, please. Perfect dimensions. Some spare links removed, screw links. I can feel already this is really comfortable. Great. Really gonna enjoy wearing this watch. And until next time, make sure to like and subscribe. That will be greatly appreciated. Take care, stay safe, and bye bye.